If you're ready to start running Facebook and Instagram ads, this video is perfect for you. I'm going to show you every single step of the way, from setting up your page to getting your pixel ready, payment information, and so much more. I'm going to share my screen and show you every button, every menu, and every option that you need to know, so that within the next 30 minutes, you're going to start being able to run ads to scale your business and see the success that you deserve. I'm also going to share best practices along the way, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll get back to you there. Now, with all that being said, let's get started at the beginning. Inside the machine, you need 5 things: a business manager, an ad account, a verified domain, a metapixel, and a Facebook page. The business manager, this holds all of your business assets, from your ad account, your pages, your pixels, your payment methods, etc. Your ad account is where you create all of your campaigns, and you can have up to 5 ad accounts in any business manager. You're also going to be required to verify ownership of the domain that you're driving ads to. And I know this can get super technical, and I'm going to share my screen and tell you exactly how to do this no matter where your domain is being hosted. You're also going to need a metapixel. This is code that you put on your site to track actions. This is another highly technical thing, but they make it super easy. And again, I'm going to show you in a little bit everything that you need to do to copy and paste your way to success. And of course, you need to have a Facebook page and or Instagram account, because this is where you actually run all of your ads from. So step 1, create a Facebook page. We're going to sign up at facebook.com/pages/create. And I'm going to drop a link down here in the description so that you can literally just click the buttons and follow along. From here, you're going to select the type of page you want to create: business or brand or community and public figure. You're then going to enter your business information. For the category section, type a word or two that describes your business, and Facebook will suggest categories for you, and pick the one that's most appropriate. Then you're gonna create your page's username. This will be your your handle, and web page on Facebook. So use your business name or your website. Then enter in your business details, your website, the description of your business, contact info, location, hours, etc. Be thorough, be specific. The more information you give it, the more legitimate you will be to the machine, the less likely you're going to have any issues down the road. And also make sure you add a profile and cover picture to your account. Now, I have some best practices for you here that I want to cover before we move on. First, before you run any ads, post 20 to 25 times on your Facebook page. Without these posts, Facebook is likely to see you as illegitimate and can get your page shut down and even get your account banned. I recommend that you post at least 3 times a day for that first week after you make the page. And then you can decrease to once a day for another week, and then you can post maybe twice a week after that, just to make sure that the page is active. Posting not only tells Meta that you're a legit business, but also helps teach the machine who likes your content. And this is a sneaky trick to help you improve your results. Step 2 is to create your business manager. From here, you're going to go to business.facebook.com. And again, there'll be a link in the description for you. Click create account and fill up the information with your real business data. Avoid using Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, etc. if at all possible. Meta will send you an email with a confirmation link. You should click on that as soon as possible. Remember, Meta uses artificial intelligence to verify if people are legit and aggressively screens for scammers and bots. Don't give them any reason to question your legitimacy. Prioritize doing the business verification process as soon as it is available on your business manager. Be thorough and prompt to avoid any potential issues with getting banned or restricted in the future. This will verify that you're a real business and will create an extra layer of security to your business manager, which again will help you if you ever face any issues with account bans or restrictions or getting hacked. Step 3, create your ad account. You're going to go to business.facebook.com/settings/add-accounts. Again, the link is in the description for you. And select your business manager. You're going to click accounts and click add accounts. Here you'll click on add and a menu will drop down and then hit create new ad account. Simply name the ad account whatever you want. This will only be for internal reference. No one outside of your business will see this. And select your time zone and currency. Make sure your time zone corresponds with your currency, US time zone using US dollars, for example. Otherwise, you might have problems when trying to run your ads and you'll have to create a new account. When you begin, you will only have the permission to create one ad account per business manager. As soon as Facebook charges your credit card for the first time, this limit is raised to 3 accounts per business manager. I highly recommend that you create all 3 of these ad accounts as soon as possible so that they can serve as a contingency if you have any issues with getting blocked or hacked or have any other issues in your business. Step number 4, create your Facebook page. Go to business.facebook.com/settings/add accounts. Again, the link is in the description. And select your business manager. From here, you're gonna click accounts and then click pages. Click on add and a menu will drop down, hit add a page. If you already own this page, you won't need to request access. However, if you're running ads for somebody else, then you can request access to that page here, just typing in the page name or the URL. At this point, you'll also have the option of creating a page, and this will take you back to step 1. Step number 5, add a payment method. Here, you're gonna go to the business settings tab inside your business manager. Click on billings and payments, click on payment methods, and add a valid form of payment. Generally, this is either a credit card or a PayPal account. Avoid using PayPal if at all possible. PayPal accounts tend to have more billing issues and more account disruption than direct billing with credit cards. I don't know why, but just sometimes PayPal is more troublesome, and we don't want trouble. Also, if you're running ads for a client, never use your own card in their account. Not only does this prevent issues with the client relationship, but it also allows them to be billed directly without having to have you as an intermediary. Billing information will also be consistent throughout the account, meaning that the business name on the account is the same as on the credit card. This is going to help you avoid any future account hold issues when it comes to billing. Step number 6, verifying your domain. This is required and can feel a little challenging or complicated, but I promise they've made it very easy for you. First, go to the business settings tab inside your business manager and go to the brand safety and suitability section. Click on domain, and then from there, click add and create new domain. Enter in your domain here. We don't need any HTTP or www. For instance, you could just type in disruptorschool.com, although it's probably better if you put in your own business. Now you're going to want to log into your domain registrar and visit the DNS settings page. You want to add a new DNS record of type TXT. Enter an @ symbol in the host name field if they require it. In the content field, you're going to copy and paste the verification TXT record that is provided in the business manager from Meta. Then we simply go back to the business manager in Meta and click verify. What's going on here is that Meta is going to your website to verify that the code they've given you shows up on the pages that you've asked them. This demonstrates that you are in control and own that domain, which is required for you to be able to run ads. This process is a little different for everyone depending on the domain registrant used. I highly suggest using the FAQ section of whatever your domain registrant is to guide you along the way. Step number 7, creating and installing your Meta Pixel. This part is essential if you're going to be running any leads or sales campaigns. And it can feel complicated, but I assure you it's really simple. I'm going to walk you through step by step everything that you need to do. Go to the Business Settings tab inside your Business Manager, click on Events Manager, and then click Connect Data Sources. Select Web, and then click Next. From here, you want to name your pixel. This is what they also call a data set. From here, you're going to choose how to connect to your website. And depending on where you've built your website, the process is going to be a little bit different. Now, one of the options is connect manually. And it's going to give you some code. You're going to copy that code and place it on every web page in your site. The other option is a lot easier. You can select the partner that you've built your website on, like HubSpot or Wix or Shopify, and then simply follow their small bit of instructions and it will do all of the work for you. So there you go. You can now run Facebook and Instagram ads to grow your business and see the success that you deserve. Now, if you're ready to take it to the next level, I made this great video right here for you. I highly recommend you check it out. It has so much more information. Okay, until next time, I'll see you on the internet.